Everyone builds bots that chase trends. But, what if you had a bot that only snipes trend reversals before they explode? This ChatGPT-powered reversal sniper made me over $1,000, and I'm going to show you exactly how I built it, step by step, with zero fluff. Most bots follow trends using moving averages or momentum, but the real profits? They come when you catch a reversal early, right before the breakout. So I built a bot that does exactly that. It looks for three things: RSI below 30 or above 70, bullish or bearish divergence, like when price makes a lower low but RSI makes a higher low for bullish, and a reversal candlestick pattern, like a hammer, engulfing, or doji. All three must align before the bot trades. Here's the exact prompt I gave ChatGPT to build the first version. Write a Python trading bot strategy that identifies bullish and bearish divergences using RSI. It should only execute a buy if there's bullish divergence and a bullish candlestick pattern like a hammer or engulfing. Use MetaTrader 5 for execution. Add logic to close trade after 3% gain or 2% loss. I just plugged that into MT5, tested it, and boom. The bot caught its first bounce off a low. To make this bot a true reversal sniper, I had to teach it how to recognize key candlestick patterns. I used this prompt. In Python, detect candlestick reversal patterns like hammer, doji, and bullish engulfing using OHLC data. Return a signal when one of these appears at the end of a downtrend. Now it doesn't just wait for RSI, it checks the candle formation right at the reversal point. This filtered out a lot of false entries. A sniper doesn't overstay the shot, same with bots. I set clear exit rules. Add to existing code exit position if 3% profit is reached, 2% loss occurs, or RSI crosses back over 50. With this in place, the bot knew when to cash out. No emotions, just mechanical sniping. Then came backtesting. I used historical BTC and ETH data and ran the bot over 100 reversal events. Not bad, but I noticed something. It struggled during sideways markets, so I added one more layer. Sometimes, reversals just totally fail in flat markets. So, I taught the bot to check overall volatility. Before entering a reversal trade, it checks if the last 10 candles have an average true range above a certain threshold. If not, it just skips the trade. This really helped prevent entries in those dead markets where reversals are basically just noise. The win rate actually jumped by 10%. Here's the full stack I used to build the reversal sniper bot. I used ChatGPT for bot logic and code generation, Python with the MetaTrader 5 library for trading execution, and TradingView to manually verify signals. For running simulations, I used backtesting.py, and for 24/7 operation, I went with a Contabo VPS. Honestly, you can build this entire system for free. I only paid for the VPS. In just 3 days, the bot took 15 trades. 11 of those were winners. I made $1,038 total, all while I was sleeping or working. It's not magic. It's just smart logic, stacked with discipline, and built with AI. Next up, I'm training this bot to auto-size trades based on volatility, and also to detect reversal zones using Fibonacci. Want this bot template? Just drop sniper in the comments and I'll DM it to you. Oh, and don't forget to smash like, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell. More trading bot builds are dropping every week.